My name is Denisha Anderson, and I'm the founder of Cleveland Flower Walls, Cleveland's very first flower wall company located right here in downtown Cleveland. We create beautiful flower backdrops that serve as beautiful statement pieces for your wedding, events, or special occasions. So in 2018, me and my husband were getting married, and I was looking everywhere in Cleveland for just somebody who can create me a custom flower wall with the colors that I wanted, and that was able to deliver it here in Cleveland. And the only thing I was finding was things outside of the U.S. with these crazy shipping fees, and I just said I have to make this for myself. So I made a little bitty one for my bridal shower. And then the next day, people started to ask me, how can I get one as well? And it kind of went from there. It's about 1,200 individual stems in my flower walls. So this is hours of work that takes a lot of meticulous intertwining, and we don't like to do the panels. We like to give people a custom look for that's consistent with whatever decor or flower colors that they want for their wedding day. So it takes a lot of time, a lot of creativity. You have to really enjoy what you do. And so I just found a career in this, and we have a studio in downtown on Lakeside, and this is where I do all of my work. And people are able to come into our studio. They can touch our flower walls. They can see the different options, and they fall in love with it. It's been really awesome. I think working with everybody, and everybody is so available to us. Typically for me, everything is like just inside of my head, and I think I just have a virtual list of all these things, but Jumpstart has helped me to get everything on paper. I actually am able to see my numbers and understand my numbers, and I didn't expect to have so many people so available to us. Everybody is always available. It's super easy to schedule an appointment and be on a phone call within the same week. Everybody is able to either answer our questions or refer us to somebody faster than I anticipate. So that's huge, because we're new. So any question that comes into my head, I know I can go to at least somebody to get an answer.